South Florence completed a perfect regular season on the way to a region championship, but the Bruins were eliminated in round 2 of the playoffs.
Well, coming off of last year's 12-1 record, we and most of our players coming back, we obviously have some expectations.
Leading rusher Rodney Brunson is ready to rock after running for more than 1,300 yards last year. Quarterback Nick Jones threw 36 TD passes last season and has all his weapons back from a team that scored nearly 40 points a game.
I don't have to work as hard as others have to do to, be successful and get a lot of yards.
Jones has a strong receiving core, including David Vereen. Charleston Southern-bound Zach Evans will provide muscle up front on the offensive line. On defense, 6 starters return, led by inside linebacker Gavin Grimsley.
I feel like our defensive line and our front 7 are pretty straight.
Kicker and punter Evan Rabin gives the Bruins an edge on special teams.
If you're in a big game-winning situation, you can't, choke on that. You don't get on the field for maybe like 3 minutes a game, so you got to really make it count when you're on the field.
The 2014 Bruins are truly a team in search of perfection.